Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to fix not being able to comment on YouTube Shorts. So whether it is on your own videos or someone else's. So before proceeding into this video, make sure you check out the links of all the resources that are mentioned here down in the description box below. First of all, you need to know that some of the shorts that have comments disabled by the uploader, especially if the video is marked as made for kids. So if that's the case, there is nothing that you can do on your end. So you can simply try commenting on the few other shorts, and if the comments work there, the issue is with that particular video or not with your application. As you can see, this is the short that I have watched, and here if I tap on the comment section, the comment section is enabled, so I can simply comment over here and there is nothing wrong over here. But if you see the issue in all of your shorts video, you are not able to comment, you need to try this method, in which you need to come out of your YouTube application, then you need to long press on its icon and go to app info. In your app info, you need to go to storage. In your storage, tap on the option of clear data, then tap on clear cache and then press OK. So after clearing the cache, you need to again launch your YouTube application and see if the comment section is now enabled, if you are able to comment there or not. If the issue still persists, you can simply open your Google Play Store or App Store. Over here, you need to simply tap on the search bar here in the bottom. So here you need to simply search for YouTube. So once you search for YouTube over here, if you see the update, as you can see, currently for my YouTube application, I have an update available. So if that's the case with you as well, you need to simply tap on the update option and you need to update your YouTube to the latest version. Afterwards, you need to again launch YouTube and see if the issue is still there or if it is fixed. You can also try uninstalling YouTube application and reinstalling to the latest version, and this can actually helps you to reset the bugs that are tied with your app's configuration. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.